Hello everybody, welcome to a video, another tutorial, and this time I'll be showing you the magic wand tool. So obviously the magic wand tool is pretty basic, helps you do a lot. You could select it up in the toolbars, and all you could do really is just select unwanted parts in your picture, like the Under Armour logo. You see all this white you would not love. You like after you click on the white, you click delete, and now you have this. Command D to remove what I call marching ants. And then you can use the move tool, which has the 4 arrows. Oof. Then you can move it anywhere you like. You could use it again for this. Again, Command D. Now you have 2 of these. All you could do really is just, if you hold Shift, you could. Oh, okay then. You have to select the. Okay, never mind. I guess you can't. Oof, that's bad. So you just. The heck? Okay, things are not working. There you go. Then you just get rid of that. Put these like that. Put the logos anywhere you'd like. Put these in the corner. Put these down just a bit. There you go. You got the magic wand tool. Thank you for watching, and hope you have a good day. Bye.